Did you know that roughly 80% of millionaires in the United States built their wealth all by themselves, without any help from their families? In the best-selling book The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, we discover that a majority of millionaires live simple lives. They don't flash their wealth by buying luxury cars, huge houses, or designer clothes. Instead, they steadily grow their wealth through wise financial habits and careful planning. They may not be famous, but they have something that most people don't. Money. A lot of money. So how did they do it? What secrets do they hold that can help us achieve our financial goals? It's fascinating to realize that millionaires aren't necessarily people with trust funds or connections. They are regular folks who employed basic yet powerful strategies to turn their lives around. The Millionaire Next Door is a must-read if you want to be financially successful. We'll discuss the key lessons from the book and show you how to apply them to improve your financial situation. Get ready to embark on a journey toward understanding the habits and mindsets that have led millions to success. And if you're interested in taking your financial knowledge to the next level, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Let's dive in. Secret 1. Millionaires don't waste money on fancy cars. Millionaires don't spend a lot of money on fancy new cars. Instead, they often buy used cars that are still in good shape. This is a smart move because it saves them money and allows them to spend less overall. Many millionaires prefer brands like Toyota because they're reliable and don't cost too much. So if you want to be like a millionaire, think twice before buying an expensive new car. Consider getting a used car that's well maintained instead. It might not be as flashy, but it can save you money in the long run. Remember, being smart with your money now can help you achieve your financial goals faster. Secret 2. Millionaires focus on being financially free. One important thing millionaires understand is that being wealthy isn't just about how much money you have, but also about feeling in control of your financial situation. They prioritize financial freedom, meaning they can support themselves without relying on anyone else. That's why they don't waste money on things like expensive cars, watches, or clothes. Instead, they save and invest their money wisely, focusing on building a comfortable future for themselves and their loved ones. So if you want to be more like a millionaire, remember that true wealth is about being financially independent. Don't get caught up in showing off with expensive purchases. Instead, save and invest your money to secure your future. This approach can lead to long-term financial stability and help you live life on your own terms. Secret 3. Millionaires save money. Carefully. Millionaires understand that saving money is crucial for achieving their financial goals. They know that by setting aside a portion of their income, they can build a strong foundation for the future. As a result, they develop habits that allow them to accumulate wealth over time. One of the primary ways millionaires save money is by spending less than they earn. They carefully manage their expenses, ensuring that their spending aligns with their financial goals rather than impulsive purchases. By adopting this mindset, millionaires gradually build their wealth, allowing them to pursue opportunities that can further increase their net worth. If you want to be more like a millionaire, start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money toward savings. Remember, small, consistent steps can lead to significant financial progress over time. Secret 4. Most millionaires made their own money. When it comes to building wealth, most millionaires did it all by themselves. They didn't rely on money from their parents or other people. Instead, they worked hard, made smart choices, and took risks to achieve their financial goals. This shows that it's possible for anyone to become a millionaire with dedication and the right mindset. Interestingly, research suggests that people who receive a lot of money from their parents often end up with less wealth than those who work hard to earn their money. This is because when you earn money on your own, you learn valuable skills and become more motivated to manage it wisely. So if you want to be more like a millionaire, focus on building your wealth independently. Embrace challenges and learn from your experiences. By developing these habits, you'll be on your way to achieving financial success without relying on external factors. Secret 5. Millionaires know when they have enough. Millionaires have a clear understanding of what financial security means to them. Rather than chasing endless amounts of wealth, they define their own version of enough. For instance, they might aim to have enough money to pay off their debts, provide for their families, and enjoy their hobbies without worrying about money. This mindset helps them resist the temptation to take unnecessary risks or make impulsive spending decisions. If you want to be more like a millionaire, take some time to reflect on what financial security means to you. Determine what would make you feel comfortable and fulfilled in your financial situation. Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can develop a plan to achieve them, focusing on saving, investing, and spending wisely. Secret 6. Millionaires are regular people. It might surprise you, but millionaires aren't always living in luxurious mansions or driving fancy cars. In fact, many of them live relatively simple lives. Most millionaires reside in ordinary neighborhoods and drive common vehicles such as Toyotas. While some may own expensive properties in exclusive areas, a majority of them choose to live modestly. By focusing on building their wealth through smart financial habits and avoiding extravagant lifestyles, millionaires demonstrate that achieving financial success doesn't require extraordinary means. They understand that living within one's means and making sound financial decisions are crucial to long-term wealth. To be more like a millionaire, avoid the urge to keep up with the Joneses. Concentrate on your financial goals and make wise choices regarding your spending and saving habits. Remember, true wealth is about financial freedom, not keeping up with societal expectations. Secret 7. Millionaires pick smart jobs. Choosing the right job is a significant decision for anyone looking to build wealth. Millionaires understand this and often select careers that offer stability and growth potential. They tend to work in fields such as construction, manufacturing, and distribution, which provide reliable income and opportunities for advancement. Moreover, millionaires avoid highly competitive or